everyone. Today I'm going to do a bottom bottle pour spiral. So I'm just going to pour a bunch of different colors in here. I'm going to swirl it on top of my bottom of my bottle. Okay, I've got reds, greens, black, maybe some gold. And that should be about it. Kind of a Christmassy color thing. So I'll turn you down so you can see. That's close enough. A little more maybe. There. I just don't want to have to reach too far. I've punctured a little hole in there just to see if any paint will go in, but I don't know if the hole's big enough. Anyway, we'll find out. So I think I'll start with, actually whatever goes on top comes out first. So I'm going to put gold in the bottom. And then some red. This is Daler-Rowney Crimson. I have some, this is a turquoise, and this is a metallic green, which is Artist Loft metallic leaf green. And this one, turquoise, is a, I believe it's an Artist Loft. Some more red. Keep with this red for now. Some more gold. I'll put a little black in the middle. I'm running out of gold. I don't think there's any silicone in any of this. Maybe in that green there might be a little bit. There goes the gold. Gold, black. I better make sure I have enough paint. More black. I'm going to try some of this turquoise now. I don't have any more gold, so I might try some copper. More red. Idea how much to use. I think I need about half of this cup, so that's probably about 12 ounces. A little bit of black. Some more copper. Can you see in there? Guess I should be showing you the cup. Copper, copper, copper. See if I can get some more red out of this. This is more of an orangey red, this one. It's going to be wild. More black. What I might do is put some black around the edge. Some more copper, finish off this copper. And I think we probably have enough paint. All right. This is going to be funny looking, or it's going to be pretty looking. I'm not sure. A little more turquoise. All right, I'm going for it. I think I need to stand for this one. I'm going to try and do the swirly thing. That's better. Whoa, look at those colors, eh? Wow. Pretty colors. They look nice together. Look at that turquoise coming out. Wow. I'm getting a sore arm here. I'll just save a little bit. I think that's almost all there anyway. It's a little bit one-sided. Okay, I'm going to take this off and see if any paint went through. Come on, it's almost there. It's a lot of paint. Okay, this is coming off now. No paint went through that hole. Maybe this will sink in. There we go. Let's go over that edge. Wow. It's pretty. Okay, I think I'm done. I like it, and I'm just going to leave it. I like how it went through the hole there. That's pretty good. All right. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. I came to see how my dried record is. This is my bottom bottle pour that I did with a swirly effect with different colors. They came out pretty good, except for it's a little bit bumpy right here and here. I'll take you up close. I think one of my paints was too thick. Might have been the turquoise. Seems okay over here, but it looks like it might be the turquoise that was a little too thick. All in all, it looks pretty good. A little bit dark on one side, maybe less black next time, but I really like it. I'll try it again. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.